Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to bleed a new brake master cylinder while it's installed on the vehicle. So once you have the new brake master cylinder installed on your vehicle, you're going to go ahead and leave these lines disconnected here. And then you can either make your own master cylinder bleeding tool here, or you can actually purchase one on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for one that you could purchase. If you're able to make one on your own and you have a flaring kit like this one, you can get yourself some brake lines and this kit here and make one yourself. But if you don't have one, you can go ahead and purchase one. All right, so once you get a hold of the master cylinder bleeding kit, you're gonna go ahead and hook one up to the front right here. Make sure you tighten it down. Same thing with the rear here. Then you're gonna go ahead and run the line into the fluid, just like that. And the same thing with the rear one. With the next step, you could either get somebody to help you, or you can do it yourself if you're able to have an eye on the reservoir while you're in the vehicle. For me, I was able to see it from inside the vehicle. What you're gonna do is actually pump the brake pedal slowly from top to bottom. You're gonna see bubbles coming out of the fluid here. And you wanna keep repeating that step until there's no more bubbles coming out, which is the air escaping out of the master cylinder. Once there's no more bubbles coming out of the fluid, you know that you got all the air out of the master cylinder. You can go ahead and remove your kit here, hook your brake lines back up, put the top on, then you can continue on to bleeding the wheels if needed. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.